Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all the ultimate kids favorite treat and also one of my favorites, homemade Rice Krispie Treats. And my friends, these are the bomb.com delicious, and you won't believe how simple and easy this recipe is. And once you make these, you'll never buy store-bought Rice Krispie Treats again. Perfect treats to take for your kids as they head back to the classroom. Great to serve at lunchtime. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cinnamon French toast sticks recipe and my previous video, old-fashioned vanilla frosting. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your marshmallows, and your Rice Krispie sugar, because we're about to make some Rice Krispie Treats magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got my fire over medium heat. I add in 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to let it melt all the way. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, our butter is nice and melted. So now we're going to add in 1 16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, and I reserved 1 cup. We're going to use that for later. So now I'm going to cut my fire down to low. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to let this cook until the marshmallows are completely melted. And as soon as the marshmallows melt, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, our marshmallows is nice and melted. That looks great. So now I removed it off the burner. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. Stir these in until they're well combined. Alrighty, so now we're going to pour in a Rice Krispies. And the remaining 1 cup of mini marshmallows. And stir these in until everything is well incorporated. Smells good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing everything, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I'm through mixing up my cereal mixture. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish that I lined with parchment paper, and I spread it with cooking spray. Alrighty, so now I have greased my hands with cooking spray so that way my hands won't stick. We're just going to flatten the cereal like so. Alrighty, so all we do now is let it sit for 1 hour. Alright my friends, our Rice Krispie Treats is nice and set. Now we're ready to cut them into squares. Like so. And off camera, I removed them from the pan. Just like that. Beautiful square. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my squares and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade Rice Krispie Treats. Don't that look good? And also, you can jazz up the Rice Krispie Treats by using chocolate flavored Rice Krispies. Or you can add some frosting and add some sprinkles on top. Whatever your heart desires. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. You see how nice and gooey they are? Oh, yeah. Have a bite. Crispy, full of flavor. Oh, and that's like Rice Krispie Treats. These are definitely kid approved. Fantastic Rice Krispie Treats, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Rice Krispie Treats delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a wonderful, fun, and safe school year.